Your troops have been involved for years in Somalia. The situation is going from bad to worse. Al-Shabaab has been active there. Do you think that because of the chaos in Somalia, things might turn for the worst in that country? To take an example.
The issue of Somalia is where the internal forces don't come up to shoulder their responsibility. If they did, the situation would have been solved long ago. Right. We cannot have grafted situations. We must have organically developed situations. The body must be able to defend itself. Because if the body cannot defend itself, that means you are suffering from political aids. Like AIDS. Body cannot defend itself. That means you are suffering from political aids. Body cannot defend itself. That means you are suffering from political aids. Defense system of the body cannot defend itself.
If this situation doesn't improve, the one you're describing, would you consider pulling your troops out of Somalia because you say it's not worth it?
Of course, if the internal forces don't come up, because